Namaste. Now I am teaching Kauntinyasana. What is Kauntinya? This is the name of the Maharshi, sage, who lived for long years. This pregnant woman should not do this. A woman during menstruation should not perform this. A person who has undergone recent surgery should not do this, like bypass surgery, knee surgery, ankle surgery, etc. And one who is suffering from high BP should not do this, because blood might force towards the head portion. This asana strengthens the arms, wrists, and the organs of the chest and the abdomen. This asana removes toxins of the body like gas, motion, urine, and it gives rotational movement to the spine that helps to maintain the ability lifetime. This asana prevents hunchback and dropsy, means water storage in the back. And this asana prevents polycystic ovaries, means PCOD. P means polycystic, multiple. C means cyst, water bubble in the ovaries. O means ovaries. D means a disorder. Essential practice for polycystic ovaries. Practice Kauntinyasana in a sequence. Practice slowly. You need patience to learn this. You should take wall support like this. Then you can do in the middle. After getting balance at least 20 to 30%. Just you should come to the tiger breathing pose like this. You should take wall support. Then you should take the right leg front like this. Then you should stretch the right leg sideways and left leg back. Then you should repeat the same thing on the other side. It takes at least 1 month to learn properly. It's depend upon your dedication. If you practice morning, evening, you can learn even in 2 weeks also. It's depend on you, your dedication. Now, I show you in the middle. Kauntinyasana part 1, 2, 3 and 4. Watch here. First come to the tiger breathing pose like this. Then take the right leg like this. Then stretch the right leg sideways. Then you should repeat the same thing on the other side. Now I'll show you Kauntinyasana part 2. First you should sit on the toes like this. Then rest your right armpit on the left thigh. Then exhale and lift the body like this. Then stretch the legs. stay for 15 to 30 seconds. Then exhale, come to the resting pose and relax. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. Next one, I show you Kauntinyasana part 3. Should make the clothes comfort. Then fold the right leg. Rest your right foot on the right armpit like this. Should take support of the left leg. It become easy for you. Then take like this. Then bend the arms. Keep your left leg on the right arm. Then exhale, come to the Dandasana pose and relax. Should stay for 15 to 30 seconds with the normal breathing. Then exhale, come to the resting pose and relax. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. I should take left leg like this. Rest your left leg on the left armpit like this. Then take the left leg like this. Exhale and lift the body. Keep its weight on the arms. I'll teach Kauntinyasana part 4. First, should sit on the toes like this. Rest your right armpit on the left thigh. You should rest it properly. Then exhale and lift the body. Take the right leg up. Stay for 15 to 30 seconds with the normal breathing. Then exhale, come to the Vajrasana pose and relax. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. Practice Kauntinyasana and get all these benefits. Happy time.